Okay, I'm basically going to go through some of the setups that I took today. I still have one DAO trade open, which is actually quite good. I'm gonna start actually with that one. So basically, I was thinking about the gaps that are here. I have also like a bunch of swings here and everything. So yeah, the thing is, when the market opened, I actually saw these like around 9 o'clock, but I didn't want to enter because I just basically I wasn't ready and I had to go. So what I did was I waited for the market to open, and the market actually opened here. I noticed that it was already like shifted. It actually came previous bar low here, and it wouldn't actually just continue lower, and even the down bar didn't do that. So here at the open, when it actually broke on the retest of the next bar, I actually entered long, and then I just actually entered with two contracts here. I let it go, and then I waited a little bit. And then after this inside bar was confirmed, I actually entered on the break to the upside. I added another one, and I'm risk free around here right now. And I'm actually waiting. I think it's gonna continue pushing higher. Maybe not, but I remain locked in around here, around I don't know, plus 90 or something like that. And I believe these highs are gonna be taken, but it's not 100%. So that's just an anticipation, which with the given direction. And that's the Dow for now. I'm letting it open, and that's pretty much it. And then Nasdaq, actually, I like what was happening here. I noticed that even though it confirmed a setup to the downside, it was not responding. It wasn't even, there's a huge volume here. It would not answer. So I thought about buying here. I didn't. I bought below these lows, and I actually took a loss, which is well fine. It was quite small risk compared to my daily risk. But the thing is, I noticed that it was not responding because I noticed the retest of the structure, but it would not answer. Like it would just close within the range, which that to me implies a possible upward move. Then what happened was I saw this previous bar low, but I didn't take it because I didn't feel like yet confident. So when I actually took the trade was after this bar closed up here, I actually enter to the upside when the break of this one. So that's actually what I took. I took it along here. Then I remained actually. I was locked down. I was risk free for a while because it actually ran pretty well here. All these like next three bars, and then I added another one around here when it was this bear bar trading. But I guess I got nervous also a little bit because there was decent profits happening. So when this bar started trading lower, like kind of near the close, then I just basically exited my trade, and even though I was locked around here on profits. So, but it's still, I think it was still a great trade. I think it was a pretty good adaptation and read, so I don't blame myself for that. I think I should just sometimes just let them go and so I can see how my trades actually played out. But other than that, I think trades was pretty amazing, and that was the day. I'm not actually gonna take any other trades. I'm gonna watch the market, and maybe just in case of studies, I will take a look later. I believe it is likely to push the highs and keep breaking, but it's just a thought and an analysis, so I'm not gonna engage on that. Yesterday, I actually had a pretty like a bad day in the sense of I didn't control myself. I overtraded, and then of course one of the accounts has this daily lockdown, which actually I hit, and the other account basically it was minus 600 or something. So yeah, it was deeper loss than I actually should have taken at first. But anyway, part of the business. I did what I had to do, and then I move on, and I just continue. And today is definitely a better day, so I'm just gonna continue trying to do my best to have the days like that and try to keep myself tight when it comes to discipline and just moving forward. Mistakes are just that, and they don't define who I am, nor does one or thousand trades. So I'm gonna keep improving. I'm gonna keep learning,